Welcome to Maths Farm. Today, we are going to prove the very famous Pythagoras theorem by visualization of shapes. And it's going to be a very easy and interesting way and a very practical way to prove the theorem. Okay, let's see how. So as we know, the Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is the base of the triangle. So we know that h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now we have to prove this. Let's see how. So now we know that this is a right angled triangle, this is the perpendicular, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse. Now we are going to copy this triangle and put it here. Now let's copy this triangle again and put it here. Let's copy it once again and put it there. Now as you can see, there are 4 triangles present of the same perpendicular, same base and same hypotenuse. Now as you can see, this shape looks somewhat like a square, right? So how do we know this is a square? We know this because the sides of this shape is the same. So this side is p plus b, this side is also p plus b, this side is also p plus b, and this side is also p plus b. And then there is another square inside this. And the side is h, this side is also h, this side is also h, and this side is also h. So there are basically 2 squares. Now as you can see, there is a bigger square and there is a smaller square, right? Now we know that this bigger square area is made up of the area of the smaller square plus the area of these 4 triangles, right? So we can see this smaller square area plus the area of these 4 triangles is equal to the area of the bigger square, right? So we know that the area of a square is side into side, right? The side is h, so the area of this square becomes h square. Now in this there are 4 triangles present, so the area becomes half into p into b of one triangle. So the area of 4 triangle becomes 4 into half into p into b. Okay, we are just multiplying it by 4. So that is equal to the area of this bigger square. Now the area of this bigger square becomes this side into this side, which is, so the side of this square is p plus b. So the area becomes p plus b whole square. Remember this. So now we'll see this again. Now, as we know, this 2 and this 4 gets cancelled, so it becomes 2pb. This remains h square. This we'll just open the square, we'll just open the bracket. So this becomes p square plus b square plus 2pb. Now we can see that 2pb is present on both the sides, so 2pb gets cancelled, and the equation that remains is h square, that is equal to p square plus b square, right? So the hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus the base square. Hence, we have proved the theorem. And this was what we had to prove, right, in the starting. So, hence proved. Okay, I hope you understand this way, because this is a very practical way of understanding the theorem. Thank you. Please do share it with your friends and do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.